right, mild day out there today despite the cloud cover. High temperature still way above average for this time of year. 58 our official high temperature out at Pulliam Airport. 49 the average for this time of year. We were right on average overnight last night with an early morning low of 23 degrees. And we take a look at it on the satellite. Here we are in Arizona. We've seen a lot of high clouds, cirrus clouds moving in today out ahead of the storm system just moving into California. A lot weaker than it looks on this satellite image. It's just there's not even an associated low pressure, just some fairly decent moisture moving into Southern California. We're in the cloud cover out ahead of it. This little weak storm system is going to move into Arizona tomorrow. We'll continue with high clouds tonight, but tomorrow I think we'll see some widely scattered light rain showers along this area of moisture. There's no even area really of low pressure. So what we say in the meteorology lingo is there's no real forcing to squeeze out any of these rain showers. As it moves in, it's just going to be a bunch of moisture, but you need to lift the air up in a pretty aggressive way to kind of get rain showers going. And there's several ways to do that: a jet stream, or with a very deep column of air and some very strong flow, and it forces up orographically over the mountains. And that's about the only thing we got going with this storm system. A little bit of cold air in the upper levels of the atmosphere will create almost like showery, kind of spring monsoony type looking showers out there, and none of those are technical terms. Okay, we take a look out to the Pacific satellite, and here is this weak southern branch of this little storm system that's going to move in for us tomorrow. And then on Friday, I think we just see a little lingering showers in very far eastern Arizona. But this thing's going to be rather interesting to watch as it evolves as we get into the weekend and early next week, because what's going to happen is there is going to be an area of low pressure developing along this thing that's going to drop south of Arizona on Friday and Saturday and Sunday and be down here around Baja. And you'll be able to see it if you take a look at a satellite picture. And then around next Tuesday, Wednesday time frame, it gets drawn back up into Arizona. How much moisture will it have to work with next Tuesday and Wednesday? It doesn't look super impressive right now, but I think we're just back into some very light spring-like rain showers once again mid next week. Nothing impressive to write home about for sure with this storm system, but a little bit of moisture here and there. We'll take it. Overnight tonight, mostly cloudy with those clouds, 28 degrees. And for us tomorrow, we'll go with some rain showers for us here in Flagstaff. Temperatures just slightly cooler, 55 degrees. Snow levels 9,000 and above. Any type of accumulating snow is really not in the cards with this thing. Maybe an inch or so up on the San Francisco peaks above 9,000 feet. Sunrise out there on your Thursday, 642. Statewide temperatures 68 Sedona. You have a chance of rain showers out there tomorrow. Prescott 66, Payson 67, Winslow 67. Most of the rain shower activity right along the Mogollon Rim, White Mountains, and in the Grand Canyon country. As we get into Friday, as I mentioned, rain showers should be confined to East Arizona. Then we get into the weekend, and it's looking all sunny and quite warm. Okay, here's a look at the extended forecast for us. Temperatures mid-50s the next couple days, starting to warm up right around 60, mid-60s. Late weekend, mid-upper 60s going into next week. And for you down in Sedona, temperatures in the upper 60s with chance of rain showers out there tomorrow, and then we're into the mid-upper 70s. So some of the warmest weather of the young season here is in store for us.